Hello, how is everyone doing? Just hanging outside smoking a cigarette. Hanging out by my fireplace. Little fire pit right there. Isn't it pretty? There's some wood over there. Then we have this bowl full of water. There's tons of walnuts. I can sketch them. So that's what I do outside, down out there, hanging outside by myself, spinning about in circles, do. Yep. Pretty boring. Yay. This is our backyard area. Oh god. That squirrel. What's he doing? Mr. Squirrel is back. Mr. Squirrel, what are you doing up there? I see you. Mr. Squirrel. Can't really see him, can you? Well, I tried. He hangs out all the time, eating nuts. Oh. Hi there. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. He's totally eating them. You're so cute. You're so cute, Mr. Squirrel. Yeah. So that's my fun backyard video. Yay.